How to use hashtags on your LinkedIn post. So once you've created your LinkedIn post, you will want to use hashtags. That's simply because you want your post to be seen by more people, and by choosing the right hashtags, you will actually be choosing your audience. So those people that you would like to see this post. So just to make it a little bit more clear for you, if you go on your LinkedIn profile search bar, you type in hashtag, let's say motivation, and click enter. So there have been some changes on LinkedIn, and for certain hashtags now LinkedIn doesn't really show how many followers they have. But I know that from before, as far as I remember, hashtag motivation has, I'm sure, more than 20 million followers. So I've tried using another hashtag, which is Motivation Sunday, and see, in this hashtag, you can see how many followers it has, and you can actually click a follow button, and then you'll be a follower of this hashtag. So I'm using this example just in order to showcase for you how you'll get more of the audience, the right audience with the right hashtags on your post. And this is also the way for your post to have the higher reach. As you can see, it's much different when you choose the hashtag which has 20 million followers, or when you choose the hashtag which has 7 followers. Another tip is that you should be using up to 5 hashtags. This is simply the way that LinkedIn algorithm works. Because if you use more, let's say, I've seen at certain posts that people are using even 20 hashtags. This is not Instagram. This is not the way that LinkedIn algorithm works. So if you use more hashtags on Instagram, for example, your post will get higher exposure. However, on contrary, if you use more hashtags on LinkedIn, your post will not be shown to many people. It will not have that higher or very high exposure on LinkedIn. So use from 3 up to 5 hashtags in order to get higher exposure of your post on LinkedIn. So in this post, because this is a motivational post, I'll use hashtags like motivation, encouragement, and you can see as you are typing in, LinkedIn will give you suggestions, so you can just use it. Now, another tip is it's really important when you're choosing hashtags to choose the ones that are related to the post that you are actually creating. So this is a motivational post, and I'm using an adequate hashtags for this post that are actually describing the post. And this is another way to respect LinkedIn algorithm, because in this way, LinkedIn will actually push your post in front of the more eyeballs so that your post gets seen by more people. So see, in this case, I will use 4 hashtags, and at the end, as the 5th one, I'm going to use my own hashtag, which is your biz mentor. And this is another tip that I would like to share with you. You would also want to create your own hashtag, and you would want to promote your hashtag because you want people to follow your hashtag. This is actually the easiest way for your followers, for the followers of your hashtag, to discover your posts. And this is relevant because you want your post to be seen by more people, and you want people to engage on your post. By more people engaging on your post will get higher exposure and it will have more views. And this is exactly what you want. So much from me for this video. I hope you liked it, and please consider subscribing on my channel if you find value in it. Stay safe and healthy, and don't be afraid to take some risks. Fears are usually stopping us from achieving the excellence we are all capable of.